What time is it? What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. I am late. I am late. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. It is raining. It is raining. The weather is cold. The weather is cold. Please sit down. Please sit down. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Open the door. Open the door. Close the window. Close the window. Come here. Come here. Go there. Go there. Look at this. Look at this. Listen to me. Listen to me. Be careful. Be careful. That's right. That's right. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. How was your day? How was your day? It was good. It was good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. How much is this? How much is this? It is too expensive. It is too expensive. Can you make it cheaper? Can you make it cheaper? I want to buy this. I want to buy this. I don't need it. I don't need it. Give me 1 kilo of rice. Give me 1 kilo of rice. Do you have fresh fruit? Do you have fresh fruit? The apples are sweet. The apples are sweet. This bread is hot. This bread is hot. I want cold water. I want cold water. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes. I clean the room. I clean the room. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I write a letter. I write a letter. I check my phone. I check my phone. I call my friend. I call my friend. I send a message. I send a message. I watch TV. I watch TV. I listen to music. I listen to music. May I come in? May I come in? Excuse me, teacher. Excuse me, teacher. Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? Please repeat it. Please repeat it. Speak slowly, please. Speak slowly, please. I forgot my homework. I forgot my homework. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Pay attention. Pay attention. Read this line. Read this line. Write the answer. Write the answer. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. We study together. We study together. We play together. We play together. We walk to school. We walk to school. We sit in the park. We sit in the park. We talk every day. We talk every day. We laugh a lot. We laugh a lot. We share food. We share food. We trust each other. We trust each other. Friendship is important. Friendship is important. Go to the mosque. Go to the mosque. I pray 5 times. I pray 5 times. I recite the Quran. I recite the Quran. I say Bismillah. I say Bismillah. I say Alhamdulillah. I say Alhamdulillah. I say Inshallah. I say Inshallah. I am sick. I am sick. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a headache. I have a headache.